Meaning of Frank Capra.
Frank Capra.
Frank Capra.
Frank Capra.
Frank Capra. Frank Capra was an Italian-American film director known for his uplifting and patriotic films during the 1930s and 1940s. He directed and produced many popular movies such as It Happened One Night, Mr. Smith Goes to Washington, and It's a Wonderful Life. His films often portrayed the triumph of the common man against powerful institutions and emphasized the importance of family, community, and personal morality. He won 3 Academy Awards for Best Director and is regarded as one of the most influential filmmakers in American cinematic history.